Hey girl, and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about and semi-reviewing NanoSteamer. This is a facial steamer that I purchased with my own moolah. And I just want to share with you the unboxing. I'm trying to really get back into sharing more mature beauty items with you. And I think this is a great way to start. This large nano steamer is a 3-in-1 nano ionic facial steamer with precise temperature control. It has a 30-minute steam time. It's a humidifier. It unclogs your pores, blackheads. It has spa quality, and it also has a 5-piece bonus stainless steel skin kit. So I mentioned that this steamer is a humidifier, but I did not mention that it also has a towel warming chamber. Yes, it has a towel warming chamber as well. This nano steamer claims to increase the effectiveness of your favorite beauty creams, serums, and masks by delivering them deeper into the layers of your skin through ionic channeling. It has a very large water reservoir for up to 30 minutes of steam time compared to the other steamers that have a 5 to 8 minute run time. So let's put it all back together. I will be placing the water in the water reservoir. This large opening that you see here is where you actually place your towel so that your towel can be steaming while you're actually doing your facial steaming process. All right, let's use this baby. So girl, let me tell you. So what I decided to do during this little steaming process was to take my bonnet off and allow the steam to also get in my hair as well, because as we all know, our hair loves steaming. So don't judge how I'm looking right now, girl. I'm doing like a two-step process here at this moment. I am hitting the hair with the steam. I'm letting it hit my face, and you may not be able to see how much steam is actually coming out of this steamer, but a lot of steam actually comes out of this steamer. Sometimes I have to pull my face back because it'll like give you like a burst of steam for some reason, which I know is a little odd, but it will actually do that. So I'm gonna actually use a mask while I'm doing this, the Glam Glow Berry Glow mask. So I'm gonna put this on, and we're gonna let this seep into my pores as I'm doing this steaming process here. So let me tell you a little bit about ionic steam. Nano steamer combines a traditional heating element with an ionic plate to produce negatively charged ions while you steam. Ionic steam is clinically proven to penetrate deeper layers of your skin 10 times more effectively to open pores and hydrate skin cells more thoroughly. The ionic humidifier portion activates NanoSteamer's humidifier setting to release healthy ionic steam into your desired room. NanoSteamer is a full-size steamer that ensures up to 30 minutes of steam time compared to other steamers that work for less than 8 minutes. It has a towel warming chamber, and it's exclusive to NanoSteamer and a fan favorite. Place a small towel into the built-in chamber to get the moist, warm towels that feel amazing to provide quick refreshment and a boost of energy after a long day. This review is not sponsored. This is just something that I want to share with my mature beauties out there to help you have a great experience, help you take care of your skin, because this is something that we all need to do. We need to focus, just focus on our skin, our mental health, our physical. I just want to share with you. And like I said, I will be doing more of these type videos, just sharing some of these products and tools that I have with you. I have used the towel chamber as well. The towel gets so hot that you won't be able to use it. At least I could not use it right away. I had to really wait for it to cool off because it was hot as crap. So here you see me raising the steamer a little bit just so that I could steam my hair a little bit more. I know my hair looks crazy, girl. I know, but it's important enough for me to share with you just some good stuff. And while you're at it, if this is 30 minutes, just go ahead and hit your face for about 15, and the rest of the time you can put it on your hair or just sit back and enjoy. You see me feeling my hair, and my hair, I can definitely feel the steam on my hair. But enjoy. Just relax. Just relax. So this mask required that I remove it with a towel. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. But girl, let me tell you something. My skin feels amazing. Doesn't it? I mean, look at it. It looks brighter. I am just, oh, I'm finished with this session, but let me tell you something. My skin feels so good. It looks like it's rejuvenated. I really, really, really love this. I highly encourage you, even if you don't get this steamer, girl, get you a steamer and just really take the time to pamper your beautiful, mature skin.